Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get clothing templates off the ID on Roblox. Now this is gonna be my first upload in a while. I haven't uploaded in a while, and I haven't logged into Roblox in a while either actually. So what you're gonna want to do is just go to the clothing that you want, and up here in the address bar you're gonna see this ID. You're just gonna copy that, and then if you go to my Discord server, I have the invite in the description. The invite should bring you straight to the verify channel. You're just going to click the verify checkbox, then you should unlock all the channels. And then you're just going to scroll down here, and you should see template channel. You're going to go here, type RS with a greater than sign, and then you're going to paste in the ID. And there you go, here's the template. So if you actually go here, open original, we have the template here, and we can just yeah, so that's pretty much it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Peace out.